हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 10 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स MCQ गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हेन इज वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन डे सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर? एंड द आंसर इज 11th July. Second question. The Jamata exercise will be held between which two countries? And the answer is India and Japan. Third question. The recently discussed Kaladan project is a joint project between which two countries? And the answer is Myanmar and India. Fourth question. The highest civilian honor, the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross, was conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi by which country? And the answer is Brazil. Fifth question. How many medals did India win at the World Police and Fire Games? And the answer is 588. Sixth question. Which country will host the 2025 Artistic Gymnastics World Championships? And the answer is Indonesia. Seventh question. Where was the 11th India Maize Summit held? And the answer is New Delhi. Eighth question. Who has developed the indigenous extended range anti-submarine rocket that has just been tested? And the answer is Defense Research and Development Organization. Ninth question. Which country will become the 21st member of the Eurozone from January 1st, 2026? And the answer is Bulgaria. 10th question. What is the name of the initiative launched by the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry to promote women's leadership in technology? And the answer is WeWise. 11th question. Central Drugs Standard Control Organization comes under which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 12th question. The National Overseas Scholarship Scheme is administered by which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 13th question. Ancient city of Penico that was recently seen in news is located in which country? And the answer is Peru. 14th question. Helgoland that was recently seen in news is located in which sea? And the answer is North Sea. 15th question. Recently, who has been conferred with the highest honor of Namibia? And the answer is Narendra Modi. 16th question. Which institute used CRISPR-Cas9 technology to enhance phosphate uptake in Japonica rice? And the answer is National Institute of Plant Genome Research. 17th question. Which state has recently launched the Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana for free treatment? And the answer is Punjab. 18th question. Recently, Indian Navy officially welcomed India's first domestically built and designed diving support vessel. What is its name? And the answer is Nistar. 19th question. What is the name of Asia's oldest elephant who recently passed away? And the answer is Vatsala. 20th question. Who has been honored with the Tamil Wiki Suran Award? And the answer is V. Vedachalam. 21st question. Recently, who inaugurated the 2025 season of the Ashmita Weightlifting League? And the answer is Dr. Mansukh Mandavia. 22nd question. World Rural Development Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 6th July. 23rd question. Recently, which state government approved 35% job reservation exclusively for domicile women to promote local youth empowerment, education and employment? And the answer is Bihar. 24th question. Which of the following has become the world's largest fixed wireless access provider? And the answer is Jio. 25th question. Woola tea, which was recently secured patent for India's first bagless tea, is primarily associated with which state? And the answer is Assam. 26th question. In which city the Steel Authority of India has started its first overseas office? And the answer is Dubai, UAE. 27th question. Recently, the Government of India has reduced the toll tax on major highways by how much percentage? And the answer is 50%. 28th question. Which state government has deployed the AI-based SMOS system to tackle the mosquito menace? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. 29th question. Who has become the first Indian to be included in the Time 100 creator list? And the answer is Prajakta Kohli. And the last 30th question. Which district topped the Niti Aayog's Northeastern Region Sustainable Development Goals Index 2023-24? And the answer is Hanathil. तो ये थे 10th जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है वेयर वॉज द फर्स्ट नेशनल बायो बैंक इनॉग्रेटेड। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।